In today's video, I am going to show you how to make money online with Digistore24, and this is XB Marketing with another video. I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process that you can start using from today to start making money with affiliate marketing. All right. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to digistore24.com and you want to create an account with them if you don't have one. And also keep in mind, you can also use the likes of Clickbank, JVZoo, and other affiliate network as well. But basically, I'm going to be taking Digistore24 because it's available worldwide. All right. So the first thing you want to do once you have your account created, you want to head over to the marketplace section. And once you come over to this marketplace section, you want to come into the search box right here and you want to type in Instagram. All right, and you want to click on search. So once you click on search right here, as you can see, there are a couple of products that you can sell. There are a couple of Instagram products on Digistore24 that you can sell and you can get commission. The main reason why I recommend you promote these products is because, as you can see right here, it has a popularity of 3-star, which means it's not too popular, and yet you can also make money from it. And now you may be looking at the commission right here, which is $7. And also you want to keep in mind that the more expensive a product is, the more promotion you need to do to make a sale with that product. And also you can see there are other products here as well that you can sell. All right, so now what you want to do from here, you want to click on this link right here to get your Digistore link to this product. So if I click on this link, all right, as you can see, this is my affiliate link right here to this product. Now it's going to automatically take my visitors to this website right here. So once they come over to this website, as you can see, 0 to 100k followers in 4 months. So basically this is a guide that this person is selling. So if they come over to this page and purchase this guide, you are going to make $7. As you can see right here, it's not an expensive product at all. It's just $17. And also, like I said, if people purchase this product, you are going to get paid $7. All right. So basically, that is how you do it. All right. So now I'm going to show you how to target people who are interested in this product. All right, so I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can start driving traffic to this product. So the first way you can drive traffic to this product is by going over to Quora.com. And if you go on to Quora.com, you want to type in how to get Instagram followers or how to grow Instagram followers. All right, so you want to type in keywords like that. And right here, as you can see, there are a lot of questions right here that Quora has suggested as well. So basically you want to click on all of these questions right here. All right, as you can see, there are a lot of questions very related to how to go on Instagram. So basically this is an example script that you can use to reply those questions, and you can leave your link right here. So if I scroll to the bottom of this script, as you can see right here, this is where you are going to leave your affiliate link to this product. All right, and once they make a sale and once they make a purchase, you make money. All right, so basically that is the first method you can do right there. You want to click on these questions and you want to leave a reply to those questions. So the second method you can use to drive traffic is by going over to Google and typing how to go on Instagram or how to get Instagram followers. And as you can see right here, there are a lot of posts on how to go on Instagram. So basically what you want to do is you want to open one of these websites right here. So if I take this one right here as an example, all right, so you can see this post right here is talking about how to grow on Instagram. So basically you want to just go to the bottom of this page right here. As you can see, there's a section where you can leave a comment. So basically you want to leave that post, you want to paste in that script right there, because that script is giving value on how to grow on Instagram. And from there, you can also leave a link to your Digistore affiliate link that I just showed you previously. So basically, I'm not going to go over this script right here, but if you go over it, it's giving a lot of value on how to grow on Instagram. So basically, you are not just spamming people's comment section and all that. So basically that post contains a lot of value, and you can basically even go onto Google and all right, you can just you can just rewrite your own script. You can get ideas from what is on this first page right here. You can rewrite it and then you can paste it in the comment section of other websites. So basically that is the second method that you can use to start driving traffic to your affiliate link. So the third method that you can use right here is by going over to YouTube. And if you go to YouTube, as you can see right here, there are a lot of videos about how to grow on Instagram. And also you can filter this video to the last week, all right, because you want to work with the most recent video that is made on this topic. So if you click on this video right here, so basically you want to go to the comment section of this video. All right, so if you go to the comment section of this video, you can also sort it by newest. So if you sort it by newest, you want to give value by replying back to people who are asking questions on how to grow on Instagram. And like I said, you can just copy and paste this script right here and leave a link to your Digistore affiliate product. All right, and also keep in mind, once you make a comment on a YouTube video, other people who are coming to watch that video, they are also going to see that comment. All right, so basically that is all you need to do right here. Okay, so basically that is how you can drive traffic using YouTube as well. And you can go back and you can repeat the same process for all of these videos right here. All right, the final way to drive traffic is by going over to Facebook and typing how to grow on Instagram. As you can see right here, there are a lot of Facebook groups on how to grow on Instagram. So basically all you need to do is just join this Facebook group, and you want to give value in the Facebook group. You don't want to go onto the Facebook group and spamming the link to this product. Everybody is just going to look past the post. All right, so you want to give value in these Facebook groups. You want to give tips on how to grow on Instagram, and then you want to redirect them to your affiliate link. So another simple method you can do is by going over to Twitter, and you can type in how to grow on Instagram. As you can see, this is somebody who is doing exactly what I'm about to show you right here. You can see right here, this is a Digistore product. So people are definitely making money with this product with free traffic. So if you come over to Google, you can basically just type in the same thing right here. So there are a lot of people who type in this keyword on Twitter a lot, and if they come over to this tweet right here and they click on this link, if I click on this link right here, as you can see, it takes me to an affiliate product right here. All right, so basically if this person is doing it, then they are making money with this method. So basically you want to repeat the same thing. You want to make a tweet on Twitter writing something simple like this: how to grow your first 100k followers and make money with your Instagram account. And you can leave a link to your Digistore product right here. As you can see, this person did not get banned doing it. All right, okay, so that brings us to the end of this video. And if you find any value, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.